everyone, welcome back to Risa Does Makeup. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you of this classic holiday makeup look. Not only is this a classic holiday look with the winged liner and the red lip, but I'm also using classic MAC products. These are products that have been staples in MAC's lineup for many, many years now. I'm not using any new palettes. I'm not using any new foundations. I'm using products that I believe that a good amount of you watching might already own in your makeup collection. I really feel that in 2018, more so than any other year, there were so many new products being released and so many people pushing all of that newness on you, and I just wanted to do this video so once again you could hopefully use products that you already own. You don't need to go out to buy anything. To me, this is a very classic holiday glam look, and if you'd like to see how I achieved it using classic MAC Cosmetics products, then please keep on watching. I'm beginning by applying the Skin Refined Zone treatment to my T-zone, as well as the 24-hour extended eyeshadow base to my lids. For foundation, I'm using Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC37. I did use a self-tanner last night, so I'm hoping this matches. If not, I am going to have to bring it down to my neck and chest. It was still a little bit dark, so I might need to do another round of self-tan. And I'm making sure this is really well blended in around my nose. And now I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the shade NC20. And as you can see, I'm applying that with my finger, and I'm patting a little bit onto my lids as well to even out the skin tone up there. Next, I am setting my concealer with the Mineralize Skinfinish Natural in the shade Light. And I'm using a Morphe brush. All of the brushes will be listed in the description. Now I'm doing my brows with the Lingering Brow Pencil. This is one of the products I believe has been reformulated recently. I'm not sure if they make this exact product anymore, but I have been using this off and on for years. Lingering is a really good color for me. And now I'm setting with Emphatically Blonde Brow Set. Starting with the shade Texture, the eyeshadow Texture, I am applying that with a MAC 224 brush into my crease. Now, all of my MAC brushes are pretty old. I think MAC has redone all of their brushes, so I'm not really sure if they are as good as they used to be. Now I'm using Uninterrupted, which I believe was discontinued and they brought back, and I'm putting this into the crease. Texture went a little bit higher. Uninterrupted is going right in the crease, but I'm using the same brush and going back and forth in a windshield wiper motion, just building to the intensity that I desire. Now I'm using Embark with a 217 from MAC, and I'm applying that just on the outer corners of my eyes. I am just pressing and blending and pressing and blending, once again, until I get the depth of color that I desire. Now I'm spraying my MAC 242 brush to get it damp and applying all that glitters. This is one of my very, very favorite lid colors. It doesn't look like much on the lid. It takes a little bit of time to build it up, but it really does look pretty in person and under evening lights. And this is where you could, if you wanted to add a little bit of a pop, you could add some glitter on top, but I'm keeping it a little bit more subtle because of the red lips. Now I'm going back in with Embark and just adding a little bit more color to the outer corners, blending it into all that glitters, and then I'm going to go back with Uninterrupted on the 224 and just make sure there are no harsh edges. Now I'm taking Vanilla eyeshadow and applying that with a flat brush underneath my brow bone. This is one of my very, very favorite shades to put underneath the brow bone. And now I'm using MAC Nylon in my tear ducts on a pencil brush. Now I'm using a flat defining brush, and I am using Texture once again and lining my lower lash lines. And then I'm taking a little bit of Embark on the same brush and just applying that to the outer corners of my lower lash lines and connecting them. Now I'm taking my Beauty Blender and I'm just sort of blending out the outer edges, making sure they're not too harsh, rounding them out a little bit. And now I'm using the Kat Von D Dagger eyeliner because I don't really have good luck with any of the MAC eyelining products. The pencils smudge on me, the creams smudge on me, so I'm using this one from Kat Von D. And it's so hard for me to do liquid eyeliner on camera. I need both hands and I need to tug because I have aging hooded eyes, so this is what it takes, folks, to get a winged eyeliner on a hooded, mature eye. I mean, it takes work for anyone, but it's extra difficult for me, especially with my vision going down the drain lately. And now I take a little bit of concealer and clean up that wing just to give it a little bit more definition. And then make sure you blend it out with your finger or a sponge so you don't have a harsh concealer line. Now I'm curling my eyelashes. Now I'm applying Extended Play Giga Black Lash to my top and bottom lashes. Next I'm applying Give Me Sun Mineralize Skinfinish with a big fluffy brush all over my face just to give me some extra color and glow. And for my blush, I'm using another oldie but goodie. This is Margin. I wanted something that wouldn't compete too much with the eyes or the red lip. This is just a really nice neutral blush. And for highlight, I'm using Soft and Gentle. This is a beautiful highlight that works on almost all skin tones. Now I don't own any MAC lashes, so I just use these faux minks from Ardell. You can find them at any drugstore or Target. I just think they're so pretty and they're not too over the top. I also didn't own any lip liner from MAC that matched my lip color, so I'm just using this red from Kylie Cosmetics. And for my lips, I am using Ruby Woo. I had a little bit of difficulty applying it with this lip brush. I had to get really, really close, and I'm sorry I cut off a little bit. Applying red lipstick is almost as difficult as applying winged eyeliner. And this is the completed look. I really hope you all enjoyed this classic holiday makeup tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Thank you again for watching and happy holidays, everyone.